Hello, my Atlanteans. So for today's video, we will be opening up another Rainbow High doll from Series 3. As you can tell from the title and from what I am holding in my hand, we will be opening up Georgia Bloom from Rainbow High Series 3. She's like one of my favorites in Series 3. Well, I mean, Series 3 was such a strong series. I think this was my favorite series out of all of them. So let's get right into this, I guess. This is Georgia. And she literally so cute. It's interesting how in the box, they displayed her in her second outfit, or in the outfit that she wasn't advertised in. And the outfit that she was advertised in is her second outfit. Like in all of the original promos and like the prototype pictures, she was wearing the second outfit that she's coming with. So I thought that was like really interesting. But I mean, I'm excited to see what she looks like in that outfit. So anyway, this is the box. It is the standard Rainbow High box with the gold letters and the iridescent cardboard. On her little name flag, you can see that says Series 3, Georgia Bloom, and her peach colored color strip is our peach girl. And then on the back, we have the usual illustration of each of the characters in the series. And yeah, that's basically the box. On the side here, you can see what her focus is. It says Georgia, and then it says performance focus. So she's like into like theater and stuff like that. Alrighty, so that is the box. I'm going to rip her out of the box and then we're gonna take a closer look at her. So here's Georgia Bloom right out of the box, and she is so stinking cute. Look at her. I just had to put her in like this little sassy pose. So as for the usual Rainbow High things, she does come with the usual Rainbow High stand, base, and comb. And what's interesting is that this is the third series, but she comes with the original like Rainbow High hangers. Like the top hanger doesn't have like the word rainbow in it. It just has like an RH at the top of it. And so this is what Georgia looks like when she's first taken out of the box. And isn't her first outfit just so stinking cute? I mean, I'm sure you could tell how adorable it was when she was in the box, but out of the box, she's just so cute. Oh my gosh. So let's take a look at her. She does have a peach and pink kind of blended hair. What's really nice is that she doesn't have any product in her hair. So it's super bouncy curly. Her hair is split down the middle and then it's held up with some hair clips. On one side, we've got 3 of them, 2 gold and 1 silver. And on the other side, we've got 1 silver and 1 gold. All of them saying various things: rainbow, sparkle, love, and rainbow. And this one's just a safety pin. She is in this gorgeous tan color, which just complements the peach color scheme so well. She's got peach colored eyeshadow and she's got some glitter. She does have the brown eyes, which is of course super welcoming to see. I love this facial sculpt that she has. It just like really adds like how adorable she freaking is. She actually, if any of you have seen Encanto, she looks a lot like Dolores. Maybe I'll get another one and make her into a Dolores. We'll see. In terms of her outfit, she is wearing this really crazy looking woven cardigan thing. It is cropped, but you can see that it's like actual knitted fabric, and you can see the kind of scaly designs on it. And there's the little gold buttons on her lapel thing. She is wearing an adorable pink tank top that has a little peach on it. I think that's like super trendy, very Urban Outfitters of her. And she's wearing these really light salmon denim jeans, and it is that usual like faux denim material. She does have working pockets on the front and the back as well. Oh my god, that's so cute. I didn't see that. So we've got the letters R and H screen printed all over the jeans, and then on the back here, screen printed onto one side, and then on one pocket we've got various symbols and icons, and on the other pocket it says RH. And down here you can see that her pants are actually puffed up. She's got these little white socks that has various words and letters on it in pink, and then she's got these adorable little platforms that looks like just a really tall like Adidas shoe, and you can see it's in like various pinks, rose golds, peaches, and you can see that there's an RH charm on the outside, and we've got tiny minuscule details on the front. All right, so that is Georgia Bloom in her first outfit. Of course, she does come with a second outfit. I'm gonna put her in that right now. And here is Georgia Bloom in her second outfit. She's looking so stinking snazzy. I really do not understand why they chose to go with the first outfit. I mean, it does come with a lot of extra pieces. I think it's like pretty obviously Dior inspired with like all of these like words that are printed on top of each other. There is a lot of like little components to this. Let's look at this. Okay, so first, her little top is actually two separate pieces. This piece with the little pearls is one piece and it's just a little tube top, and this little bustier piece is one piece as well, and it has like the little gold buttons. And then I love when Rainbow High does their clasps like this, because you can see that it's an R and H. And then for her little skirt, you can see it's in the exact same material as the bustier top. We've got the functioning pockets as per usual, and we've got these beautiful little flowers that are actual like different pieces of material that seem to be sewn onto the actual dress. And what's really cool about the bottom part is that it's actually a mesh fabric that has little pearls that go all around it as well, and that just adds like a little bit of spice, I think. And for her shoes, she is just wearing a simple pair of Dior Converse. We've got the little gold embellishments and the normal like Chuck Taylor's kind of style. And what I absolutely love about her second outfit is that it actually comes with a little purse that was actually also promoted in the photos and stuff like that as well for series 3. And you can see it matches perfectly with her skirt. Yeah, she just looks so amazing with it. So that is Georgia Bloom, everybody. She is like literally like one of the cutest characters in like this whole like Rainbow High. She's literally like one of the cutest characters in all of Rainbow High. Look at her. She's so cute. As per usual, she is a little pricey. Usually Rainbow Highs are a little pricier. She's about $30 in Canada, and honestly I say she is so worth it. Like if you're trying to collect them all, definitely get her. Or even if you're just like thinking like, oh, like she would be really cute in my collection or in your personal collection, she is adorable. I just think she is such a solid doll with like so many like solid outfit pieces, and I feel like her outfits are like really classic. Like I feel like anyone can kind of appreciate her style. And yeah, it's such a bonus that we get like hair clips and also a purse. Like I just think that's so cute. Like little fabric purses, those are so difficult to make, and like they didn't even need to include this, but they did. Oh my god. All right, everyone, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I feel like this episode kind of flew by really quick, but I love her so much. And like Rainbow High, MGA, you guys are doing amazing. If you guys are going the same route as you are with series 3 into series 4, you're gonna do great. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.